Hi everybody, welcome to Turkish Lessons. My name is Yasin Durak. Today, guys, I will help you how to talk about yourself and what questions you can ask people in Turkish. Now, as you see here, the title, How to Tell About Yourself. In Turkish we say, kendinden nasıl bahsedersin? Kendinden nasıl bahsedersin? Guys, now I prepared one short text here, an example text here actually. We will work on this text. Okay, now let's start. Merhaba, benim adım Jason. Ben Amerikalıyım. 41 yaşındayım. Bir şirkette çalışıyorum. İstanbul'da yaşıyorum. Evliyim ve bir kız çocuğum var. İstanbul'u seviyorum. İstanbul çok güzel ve mistik bir şehir. Ya sen? Biraz kendinden bahseder misin? Guys, now I will tell you in English. Hello, my name is Jason. I'm American. I'm 41 years old. I work at a company. I live in Istanbul. I'm married and I have got one daughter. I love Istanbul. Istanbul is very beautiful and a mystic city. And you? Can you tell me about yourself a bit? Okay, it's like this, guys. I hope this is a good text for you to practice. Now I will work on the questions. What questions you can ask the people in Turkish when you practice about talking yourself. Okay, let's start with the first. What's your name? Senin adın nedir? Okay, number two, question two. Senin uyruğun, or you can say milliyetin nedir? What's your nationality? Kaç yaşındasın? How old are you? Kaç yaşındasın? Nerede çalışıyorsun? Nerede çalışıyorsun? Where do you work? Nerede yaşıyorsun? Where do you live? Nerede yaşıyorsun? Where do you live? Evli misin? Evli misin? Are you married? Are you married? Kaç tane çocuğun var? Kaç, or you can say kaç tane çocuğun var? How many children do you have? İstanbul'u seviyor musun? Do you like Istanbul? İstanbul'u seviyor musun? Okay, guys, I will repeat one more time to practice only. If you want, you can go with me. Okay, let's go ahead now. Senin adın nedir? Senin uyruğun nedir? Senin milliyetin nedir? Kaç yaşındasın? Nerede çalışıyorsun? Nerede yaşıyorsun? Evli misin? Kaç çocuğun var? Kaç tane çocuğun var? İstanbul'u seviyor musun? Alright? Now, I prepared one simple dialogue for you guys. These questions over here, you can ask your partner. These questions you can use as a dialogue. Okay, I just prepared only one of them here, as in this example, number one. Then you can go ahead with the other ones by yourself or with your friends as well. Okay, now let's start here. Senin adın nedir? This is a dialogue, guys. Senin adın nedir? Benim adım. You can say your name here. Actually, you should say your name. I didn't put. If you want, you can say your name. Benim adım. Or you can say ben and your name. Yasan. Yasan means what about you? Or you can say how about you? Or you can say and you. Benim adım. Or you can say benim ismim. Okay, guys, we use either of them, which is fine. Okay, simple example dialogue like this. I hope it's helpful and practical for you. Guys, if you have any questions, please write to me at this email address account And please don't forget to write your comments as well about the lesson. And if you have further requests, please write to me and I will help you for the next lessons. Thank you for your time. Bye for now.